Hi, we're Easy Company, and this is our concept, All Scribes. My name is Ritzwy, and I'm here with my teammates, Ryan and Brenda.
During the discover phase of our project, we initially created an opportunity statement centered around social isolation and the elderly within the pandemic, and we created a mind map to list out our ideas. After the process of elimination within our mind map, we chose to create a care package pen pal service for them to communicate on.
So this is the define stage of our concept. Some key takeaways from our interviews and observations is that our original niche, the elderly and healthcare workers, both need help. The elderly are feeling very lonely and confined to their homes, while medical professionals are understaffed. After discussion, we decided to expand our niche to the medical field to include all hospital patients and healthcare workers, since they are facing similar situations to the elderly. This is our hierarchy of purpose, where we defined our final idea. We took our original opportunity statement and explored different avenues before deciding on what we have now, which is how can All Scribes create a communication network for medical patients to improve their mental health when they normally do not have access to social environments?
During the development stage of our project, we created another mind map and used the real win-worth method to test the desirability, business viability, and technical feasibility of the functions and sub-functions within our concept. The ones that met all three criteria were included in our final product.
This is the deliver phase of our design process. So in our first sprint, we had this storyboard that went over the functions that we thought we would like to have. So first we wanted the user to fill out a questionnaire, as well as to pick a pricing plan that they wanted to use, as well as select items to send to their pen pal, and to write a letter, of course. Our initial website prototype was functional to an extent. We had visuals, but we did not have all the logistics worked out for the letter writing or the pen pal matching. I decided to have some user testing on what our pen pal matching quiz should be like. And to summarize the results I received, most individuals did not want to spend too much time on a matching quiz. So I wanted to make sure my test did not take longer than 5 minutes. I also asked my testers to explain what types of tests they would want to see. I got answers that range from personality tests, horoscope tests, IQ tests, but found that a short and simple personality test would do the job. The matching quiz ended up having 10 questions.
We also tested letters with various clients, including non-native English speakers and a nurse practitioner. Unfortunately, we did not have access to a hospital to perform testing on medical patients due to COVID, but according to the nurse practitioner that we did have contact with, the dictation method was the most optimal since it's embedded into regular texting and typing already and is accessible. We tested the method of writing the letters. Initial testing included testing the dictated, typed, and handwritten method. The handwritten method was omitted because the process of matching it to the box would be too strenuous. The dictation and type methods are more accessible and can also be used to write letters in different languages. Regarding the design of the letters, the customer will decide on the contents of the letter and pick the design of the card. The letter will be printed onto the card with their desired font, and then it will be paired with the care package. The customer will not be responsible for sending a physical letter through the mail. This is an example of what a final letter may look like.
Another important aspect of our project is the packaging. Our packaging is a hemp box. We thought hemp is sustainable and can provide the insides enough protection to make sure no product gets damaged. The box size is going to be a standard cubic box plus other shapes coordinating to holidays and themes. Our packaging did go through a prototyping process. At first we had a bag, and then as we evolved in our project, we decided that the bag didn't provide enough protection and that we needed to go into some sort of sustainable box, thus the hemp box.
Here's the final website prototype. It is fully functional. As you can see on the homepage, it is already promoting the launch of our summer season care packages. To make it user-friendly, I added buttons that would direct the user to where they needed to go. The next slide shows what you would see after you scroll down, and it gives our users a sense of ease, knowing that we are available to help guide them and to help them throughout the process. We also have a chat box in the bottom right corner to assist those who are hard of hearing or a part of the deaf community. We finally here have our pricing plans and the option to just send a letter if an individual didn't want to pay for the care package subscription. This is our concept. Thank you for listening.